I'm going to touch on something on a car we just got recently. We've had it about 3 months now. We bought a Jaguar F-Type, the R model. Been quite the fun car, but now that the tax offices and everything have opened up, we were able to get our tags and everything for it. And it's one of the dilemmas of this car is there's several different options you can go with, but the one we decided to go with was a mount-in that has a quick release. So it comes in real handy, like if you want to go to a car show or what it may be that you just don't want the tag on there. I'd run it all the time without it if I could, but unfortunately Texas law doesn't allow us to do that. This component we bought makes it real easy to remove. Like I said, it's got a little quick release, but it's got a little aluminum bracket that you mount on the front of the car, which I'll show you here in just a second. Fortunately with this car, there is no cutting, drilling, nothing. You simply remove a bolt, put the little mount in place with a single bolt, and then you're ready to go. Of course, mount your tag to the bracket that comes with it. It's as simple as that. So here we are on the front, is where this goes. This is what I'm talking about right here. You see that bracket right there, right in front of the front air dam, or air spoiler. That little piece goes on with that one hex head bolt you see there. From the factory, there is already an existing bolt there. You just simply take that out, hold on to it in case you want to get rid of this and put the factory back together. But that's all you've got to do. Take that bolt out, slide this bracket on with the new bolt, tighten it down to just a few Newton meters, and that's it. So the way this works is those two holes line up on these two pins on the actual tag bracket. So you just slide those two pipes into those two holes. You slide it in. It'll actually stay there while you reach in and pull the pin and push the tag back just a little further. So you pull this little pin here and then you can slide the tag back and then pull on it, make sure it's tight. There it is, snaps into its groove, and you're done. And now you've got your tag right where it belongs. That does not touch anywhere on the car. It actually keeps it just ever so slightly in front of everything else, as you can see here. So it keeps it right there in front of the car, not touching anything. So that now in the states that you have to have a front tag bracket, you've got a front tag bracket. Now I have read that some people have had issues with these, that they believe they set too low, and some of them have even reported that they have drug the tag before the air spoiler ever drug. So I've yet to experience that, but we haven't had it on the car real long. So I don't see that it should be a problem. It seems to be high enough that unless you're just, technically going too fast for the car in general over the bump or the dip, you shouldn't really hit that. That is the best option I believe is out there for this car, just in the fact that you don't have to modify anything. You don't have to remember to put a cover back on the car. You just simply pull the pin, remove the tag, or pull the pin and pop the tag back in. Nice and simple. Carry your tag in your trunk until you're where you have to have it back in.